This 2024 Volkswagen Atlas is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge, Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Volkswagen is powered by knee front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo-regular unleaded i4 2.0L 121 engine, and has 46,119 miles. Discover adventure with the 2024 Volkswagen Atlas. Spacious, reliable, and ready for your journey. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.